They're your parents?
They're my aunt.
Oh, your aunt's? Where's your aunt at?
On her way. She left, she's coming back.
Left, she's coming back? Cool. Do me a favor. Take a deep breath and blow into that, alright? Alright, do me a favor, try one more time. Deep breath, don't go so far in.
Is there a steering problem? Mind your business. Like...
563, we're 10-8.
Alright, where's your aunt at? You have her phone number?
What?
How old are you?
I know that didn't come up positive. I didn't take a drink of anything, so...
Alright. Alright, take a deep breath and keep blowing. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Alright, yo guys, even if it's your aunt, she is of age.
Is she of age?
Yeah, how old is she? Like 40?
Man, this is moving.
Alright, go grab her real quick. We're going to have them pour that all out.
How are you going to let us go if we didn't even drink alcohol?
Well, where's your aunt at?
You're allowed to carry alcohol.
That's interesting.
You're underage. You are. You're not allowed to drink it, and we did not
Open
drink
display on the beach.
What?
It's possession consumption.
Display.
It's not open.
Open display means you...
What do you mean? That doesn't
You can
mean
see
anything.
it, yes.
Okay, you can see it, and we're not drinking.
5043. Come here with Hello Skellinger in the beach.
Go
502, you clear?
Probably other gators on.
Cool, what's your name? How about that?
Will you let me know for obstruction of my 18-month-old daughter over there?
Yeah, you're not cooperating. Yeah.
I didn't disrespect you. I didn't do anything to get written up, did I?
You called it a scene.
Now you're causing a scene. You want to? Alright, I'll give you one more chance to give me your last name.
Just be
You're not gonna
cooperative.
lock me up.
Okay.
You can't lock me up. I didn't disrespect you.
Okay.
And you don't need to write my name down either because I didn't disrespect you. I didn't do anything to you. You're mad because you thought we were drinking.
Alright, I'll give you one.
Because your brother left me.
Okay. First of all, you're in possession. Where's your aunt at then?
She's on her way.
Okay, what's your last
You
name?
could wait here. That's like you wasted your time coming over here. You could wait here for her.
Okay, what's your last name?
You don't need my last name.
Okay, that's it. I'm done with you. Do you have cuffs on you?
Yo, man!
Get over here.
Don't touch me!
Yo.
Don't touch me!
Alright, you're about to get dropped.
Yo, don't touch me, man! Don't!
Get over here.
What are you doing? Don't touch me, man! My daughter! What the
You're done.
Dickhead, get the pull my hair! Get off me! What are you doing?
5043, send me another unit. Skellinger in the beach. We got one resisting.
And relax.
No! Just pull my hair! Get off of me! What are you doing? Ryan! They're choking me!
Skellinger in the beach. Can I get another unit?
They're choking me, man! Man, I cannot breathe!
I'm not choking.
Yes, the you are, you Get the off me, yo! I'm
That's
not
it.
resisting!
Get on. Back up! Back up! Get over here now!
You're not allowed to beat me like that! Stop! I'm a woman! It doesn't matter!
Put your hands behind your back.
It doesn't matter! You're not allowed to hit me like that and choke me! You're not allowed to hit me and choke me like that. You're not allowed to hit
Grab
me
her.
and choke me like that.
Handcuff her.
You're not allowed to hit me and choke me like that. My daughter is right there seeing this. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not one of these little you're just gonna let you treat my mom doesn't treat us anyway. You white piece of trash.
Juliet Alpha Charlie Oscar Bravo.
Oh my god! I didn't do anything wrong. I wasn't drinking anything. Just smell it.
It wasn't even open, bro.
You just shook me off. I can't believe you did that. Get off of me. Ah!
One in custody.
Don't stare unless you're getting help. You need to get the off me, you the trash. Ew. Oh yeah, now we got these young cops who don't know how to treat people. I'm gonna talk to your captain as if he will give too.
Good, I hope you do.
Yeah, I will. Dirtball. No. Who are you?
I'm gonna be the one transferring you, okay?
Yeah, will you?
I didn't arrest you. All right, so
I don't care.
back up.
Yo, don't touch my father. That's my daughter. That's my daughter.
Y'all all run the car.
Your mouth shut before you get locked up too. Alright? Don't be stupid. What? No, tell me why you put it on the ground. Bro, she didn't even open the can. Listen to me. Listen to me. Nothing was open. No open now's not the time to argue this, okay? Number one, you got a baby in your hand. I know. So you take my baby. That's my girlfriend. Got a baby in the fucking worry about her, not your girlfriend. You can get that straightened out later. How old is she?
All you do is just punch her in her face, though.
Yeah, well, she tried kicking us, so that's it.
She didn't kick her.
Yeah, she did.
He's just recorded it.
I go to. Yeah, it's fine. I go to stop her for LO for underage drinking. She said she's 20. She had twisted tees. She wouldn't give me her last name. So I said, hey, if you're not going to give me your information, you're going to be locked up. She tried walking away from me. When she tried walking away from me, I tried grabbing her. She tried kicking at us, so we slammed her on the ground. She kicked him. And then I hit her a couple times, and then I put her in cuffs, locked her up. And I came out, I was backing everybody up.
Well, why don't you guys walk? Take a walk. Why don't you guys go inside then?
92, are you still at Rio and Hudson?
It's on the quad.
Both of us.
Round up the hell up.
Go grab the quads.
97, Nicholas, confirmed, Pennsylvania GL. Where is he back?
Cause she didn't give him his last name. He started tasting it.
8384, they need anybody else to pick up. That's a negative right now. Tap
Hey, Chief, how's it going?
Well,